Insecurity in Nigeria. Honorable Sanya Omirin moves a motion on the need to incorporate security education as core subjects in Nigeria's primary and secondary school curriculum.
The 12th and the final order of the day is a motion on the need to incorporate security education as core subject in Nigeria primary and secondary school curriculum.
Today, Thursday, 7th of March 2024, Honorable Sanya Omirin, the Honorable House of Representative member representing Atakumasa West, Atakumasa East, Ilesha East and Ilesha West at the Green Chamber, Honorable Sanya Omirin moved the motion at the floor of the Green Chamber.
My distinguished honorable colleagues, Omirin Emmanuel Sanya is my name, representing the good people of Atakumasa East, Atakumasa West, Ilesha East and Ilesha West Federal Constituency. I'm from the state of the Living Spring, Osun. Mr. Speaker, and my honorable colleagues, I rise this afternoon to move a motion on the need to incorporate security education as a core subject in Nigeria's primary and secondary schools curriculum.
Any seconder to this motion?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My name is Honorable Architect Usman Murshala Banye. Mr. Speaker, I'm from Katsina State. I rise to second the motion heavily moved by my honorable colleague.
It is no doubt that the level of security in Nigeria is not worth boasting of. This is what made the federal lawmaker in Ijesha South, Honorable Sanya Omirin, to sponsor the bill that will make it compulsory for Nigeria students or pupils from primary to secondary schools to have security education at their early age. According to him, the level of insecurity in Nigeria is worrisome, and proactive steps must be taken to curb crime in our society. He noted that when there is no security in the society, development will be far from such country. So it should become imperative for the concerned authority to weave in and restore lasting peace to the society by taking the necessary step of adding security education to the academic curriculum.
Due to escalating insecurity in the country, it has become imperative for children to learn defense mechanisms, master first aid principles, and emergency handling skills. Investing in security education is essential to safeguard student knowledge.
Honorable Omirin said no nation will develop if their security architecture is not rigid. He therefore urged all stakeholders to support the bills to achieve the desired aim and objectives.
Those in support of the motion say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.